My dear students, before moving to the next chapter, let us have a revision over the topic estimate product. Most of you have not completed your homework and left the question which was on estimate product. So I thought of going through it one more time. Let us have an example. 97 into 503. First, round off the numbers 97 and 503. I have drawn the number line. 97 is nearer to 100. So, 97 can be rounded off to 100. The same way, 503 is rounded off to 500. I have drawn the number line and you can see in the right hand side of the page. Now, product of the rounded off numbers, that is 100 and 500, is equal to 50,000. In the same way, 223 and 723, if I round off the number 223, it will give 200, and 723, it will give 700. Product of 200 and 700 is 1,40,000. Let us start chapter 2, that is whole numbers. Before going to the whole numbers, we have to know about the natural numbers. The counting numbers in general, which starts from 1 to infinity, are natural numbers. If we include 0 with the natural numbers, the collection of natural numbers and 0 will be called whole numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are whole numbers. There are some points to remember, important points. Some multiple choice question, fill in the blanks may come from this. Number 1 point, 0 is the first and smallest whole number. Number 2, there is no greatest whole number because it extends up to infinity. You can go up to infinite numbers and which can be considered as whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Adding 1 to a whole number gives successor, as we discussed it in our chapter 1. What is a successor? Successor is 1 more than the given number, and subtracting 1 gives predecessor. Predecessor is 1 minus from the given number, and remember that 0 has no predecessor. Representation of whole numbers in a number line. So first of all, we have to know what is a number line. Number line is nothing but a graphical representation of numbers in a line. I have drawn one line. I have marked some positions, O, A, B, C, D, E, F, like that. O, I have taken it as starting point. This is the position of first whole number 0. A is having the second whole number, that is 1. Like that, its value gets increased when we go to the right side of the number line. Now, let us use this number line to add, subtract and multiply whole numbers. Taking one example, represent 2 plus 5 in number line. So I have drawn the number line from 0 to 2, and from 2 it will go 5 steps towards right. then we reach 7. So 2 plus 5 will give us 7. Now we shall do some subtraction of whole numbers in the number line. Represent 6 minus 4 in the number line. We have drawn one number line starting from 0 to the right side. It will extend up to infinity, positive numbers. First we go 6 steps to the right and come back 4 steps to the left. When we do this, we get 2. Therefore, 6 minus 4 is 2. We are taking another example. Represent 7 minus 4 in the number line. From 0, we are moving 7 steps to the right side and coming back 4 steps to the left, and we get 3. We reach at the point 3. Therefore, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Now let us do some multiplication of whole numbers on the number line. Find 3 into x using number line. It means we have to move 4 steps 3 times. 4 steps, 4 steps and 4 steps. I have drawn the number line. In one step, I have to go 4 units. Next second step, I have to move another 4 units. And in the third step, that is the last step, again I have to move 4 units. In the first step, I have moved 4. In the second step, I have moved 8. And in the third step, I have moved up to 12. Therefore, 3 into 4 is 12. Another example I am taking. Find 6 into 2 using number line. I have drawn the number line from 0 to the right side. It will extend up to infinity. We have to move 2 steps right side 6 times. So there will be 6 steps, and each step will have 2 units. In the first step it will reach 2, second step it will reach 4, third step it will reach 6, fourth step it will reach 8, fifth step it will reach 10, and in the sixth step, that means in the last step, it will reach 12. So 6 into 2 is 12. We will practice some problems from the exercise 2.1. We did it in the first chapter also. Write the successor of 1000909. Successor, we know it is the next number. That means what will be the next number of 1000909? If we add 1 to 1000901, we get the successor, and it is given by 100910. That is the successor of the given number. Write the predecessor of 70700. Predecessor is the number that comes before. So predecessor is the number minus 1. Predecessor of 70700 will be 70700 minus 1. I have done the rough work in the right side of the page. You also practice like that. It is given by 70699. And in your classwork and homework, I have given some problems from your exercise 2.1, and you have to submit it by tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.